Hi, welcome to GX Versatile Academy, and here I help people to get connected with world's best financial education platform. So wherever you have reached to this website, that shows that you really want to achieve something big in your life. So let's not waste your time and hop on to this opportunity I want to share with you. So here what I want you to know. Foreign exchange market is one of the biggest currency exchange market in the world, where $6.6 trillion is being exchanged every single day. Or how you can have a piece of digital currency where you can get exchange of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple. Ladies and gentlemen, everything we are going to talk about is already been happening. Here's what I know. If you're not saving and you're not investing, you have 0% chance of creating wealth. Do you know what lot of people are doing right now? They're spending their money. That's why they don't have anything. Here's what we are going to teach you, a skill surrounding your money where you don't have to recruit anyone, you don't have to be good at selling, you don't have to build a big organization. All you need to do is learn the skill and you can take care of your family for rest of your life. So what exactly foreign exchange is? Foreign exchange is the world's most liquid market. You must have participated in it. When you travel from one country to another, you have to exchange one country's currency into another country's currency. Now you don't have to travel anymore. As long as you have a cell phone, you can exchange this currency on your phone and you can start making money. So our company, iMaster Academy, has simplified this learning process that everything you need to know to become a consistent profitable trader and how to understand the uptrend, downtrends and Fibonacci and reversals of the market. Now you're going to learn all those things in our foreign exchange course. Now you must be wondering how long will it take me to learn that skill. Now we recommend 1 hour a day, 5 days a week. Now you won't be an expert in next 90 days, but you will be an intermediate enough to take your own trades by yourself and you don't need the academy to guide you anymore. So we have this another course, digital currency exchange, where you will learn how to exchange blockchain and bitcoins and ethereums in the market. And we have another course which is high frequency trading, where you will learn how to trade commodities and options in the market. Now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to understand this, that you need to learn these skills, and once you learn this skill, the skill is yours. Company cannot own your skills, right? The company doesn't own the foreign exchange market. Company doesn't own the digital currency exchange market. Once you have learned the skills, you can use these skills and make money for the rest of your life. So our company is not an investment company. Nobody touches your money and your money would be your money. This is the best thing I love about this thing. To learn these skills, you are going to get an access of iMaster Academy, where you will get 100 plus videos to watch from basic to advanced courses to become an expert trader. Now these educators are going to teach you on the live sessions also. And they have this specific timetable which you can follow them and you can learn and trade as they are going live. Now if you are smart enough, you can literally understand what these traders are doing and just copy and paste the trades they are going to take in the live session in front of you. Now you can also ask questions them in the live sessions. Any query you are going to have while trading, you can ask these educators and they will resolve it at the same moment. Now a lot of years ago, trading wasn't accessible for everyone. You need to have 5 to 10,000 investment initially to start trading, or you need to have at least $100,000 account to start trading. Now it is very simple to start trading nowadays with only $10 amount. Now not few years ago, people used to pay hundreds of dollars to learn such skills. Now you have these AI built applications which are going to tell you when to enter into the market and when to get out. Like this harmonic scanner, it's going to scan the $6.6 trillion market in every currency pair and going to give you which stop loss needs to be set and which take profits needs to be set. And it not only gives you the one entry point, it gives you 3 to 4 entry points and 3 to 4 exit points. Now imagine you're not sitting at your home and you don't have the access of your laptop or your computer. Now these mobile applications are going to help you to learn and earn on the go. Now these applications also gives you the notification of the trades are being taken by the live session, those educators. So anytime you get any information about any trade, you can just copy paste those coordinates and into your trading application and you can make money on the go. Now you must be wondering how much this course costs. It is not $5, $10, $15, $20,000. It is only $235. Now you can get access of Go Live sessions and all the advanced courses videos in this platform. Now you can enroll as a customer, and if you want to also promote this program to your friends and family, so we also have this IBO. So IBO means you are independent business owner. So as an independent business owner, you can also promote this product to your friends and family, where they can get access to this financial education, and what you will get out of it, you will get a 2 and free course. So what is 2 and free course? So when you are promoting this course to 2 people, you get access to next month free subscription. Next month you don't have to pay the subscription charges. Now you must be wanting to go to college, or you must be in your job, but lot of my friends went to college and they didn't get the job after the college, and lot of my friends took lot of big loans to pay that education fees, and after the college they didn't even get the job, and some of them paying the loan which they have taken for the education. Now imagine learning such skills where you can start making money within the next month. So this is the biggest benefit of this platform. Now imagine if you went to college and college is telling you that bring 2 more students into this class and I will give you a free education for the next semester. Like, this doesn't happen in the college education. But in this platform, if you bring 2 more customers into this platform, you will get a free subscription for the next month. So this was one side of our program. The another side is, like Robert Kiyosaki said, there are 4 ways to make money in your life. Either you have to be an employee or a self-employed or a business owner or an investor. Now the problem of being an employee or a self-employed, you are working for yourself. Your money is not working for you, or every time you have to work for the money. So being a business owner or being an investor, money works for you. You don't even have to give time to that thing in the coming future. And once it's established, it's make money for you for rest of your life. So in the same manner, we have this IBO where you can promote this platform to your friends and family and you can start making money. We have already explained you that you can be an investor by trading. Now the second biggest income generation platform in this world is a business owner. Now we give you flexibility where you can become a business owner of this product and you can promote this product to your friends and family. Now it's totally up to you whether you want to choose this another side of product or not. So you have already going to learn the skills which is going to make you a lot of money through trading. Now the another side of product is promoting this platform to your friends and family where you can generate a huge income also. So once you have enrolled into this platform, you will get a referral link which you can promote with your friends and family. So once you hit 3 customers into this platform, you will get $150 a month from the company. And another level you will achieve, which is Platinum 600, once your team and you get up to 12 customers into this organization, you will get $600 a month. Now this table goes up to $750,000 a month. Now it's up to you whether you want to promote this product or not, or you can leave this more than $1 million on the table and just learn the skills and get with your trading and earn money. Now that Platinum 150, 600 and 1000 was making so much sense, that imagine you are earning $150 to $600 a month from this platform by promoting it, and you're also earning $50 to $100 a day, which is making you more than $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Now just imagine, this is only your passive income. You're not doing it for full time. It only requires around 2 to 3 hours a day, and it is an amazing passive income you can generate in a month. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand how money is going to work for you. Okay, so you don't have to work for the money. Now, if you're listening to me till now, that means you're very interested into this platform. Now, here's what you need to do. Click the link below and schedule your personal meeting with me, where I will guide you step by step what you need to do and how you can get enrolled into this platform. And guys, money needs to be working for you. You don't need to work for the money. Keep that in mind and click the link below. Thank you.